Hi everybody, I'm Ellie with EV Sportline, and today I want to talk to you about protecting your EV, specifically this brand new Ford F-150 Lightning that was just brought to us to be protected for the complete exterior. Let's get into it. So this F-150 Lightning is a brand new work truck for one of our clients, and he plans on owning it for many years to come, putting a lot of miles on it, using it for what it's designed for, a work truck. And while he chose the very cool dark metallic blue factory Ford paint, he wanted to go ahead and achieve two things. Number one, he wanted to go ahead and protect it from road rash and rock chips and bird droppings and door dings and small dents and dings and things like that. But simultaneously, he wanted to go ahead and change the color of his truck, but still stay within the blue tone that came from Ford. He chose TMaxx. TMaxx is the leader in PPF film, and TMaxx offers a wide range of PPF film, paint protection film. There's the classic clear, there's what we used on this truck, which is Satin Clear, and then there's over 50 colors to choose from. In this particular case, the customer chose Satin Clear, and what this film does is, number one, it will protect the paint underneath, the panels. This is going to go ahead and prevent you from dealing with going to body shops, having repairs done. I think you know what I'm talking about. But now take a look how cool this is. This F-150 Lightning is now a satin metallic blue. It's really cool. What a transformation. I love the way it looks. And as you can see, it's a game changer when you compare it to other F-150 Lightnings that are out there. This is probably the first one to be done in a satin clear finish, and it looks really great. Now let's get back to protecting your investment, protecting your truck or your car. Well, the TMaxx film comes with a 7-year warranty, so that's great. Plus, it's hydrophobic and it also has self-healing properties. So even if it gets compromised, there's a good chance that with the right tools and techniques, you can go ahead and help repair the film and not necessarily have to replace a panel. But even if you do, it's really not the end of the world, because replacing one panel of film is quite a bit less expensive and a lot faster than going to the body shop. Now let's talk about long term. Not all of us keep our cars and trucks forever, and one day you may want to go ahead and sell it. And as you know, if you've been a buyer before, most people will go ahead and check the Carfax, the history on that car or truck, to see what it's all about. Now the seller would go ahead and say that, you know what, I made a big investment. I went ahead and protected the truck using PPF film. And you know what? EV Sportline has been recognized by Carfax as an authorized certified shop to go ahead and have your vehicle with PPF applied to it. This is going to give you an added value. So when you go to sell your car or truck and you tell the potential buyer that your car or truck is worth more because you invested in PPF film, it will be certified and verified by Carfax. That's a nice added value. Anyway, thank you so much for watching, everybody. It's a pleasure to share these types of videos with you. And if you do enjoy them, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. We have so many more amazing videos coming your way soon.